Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're just going to create a couple of arrays and we're going to push some names into them, and we're also going to push some names, multiple names into an array. So first one is we're going to call this push names. Okay, I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. Let's zoom in a little bit there. Okay, right, so we're going to create an array here called my names, and it's going to be an empty array. Then we're going to use the push function like this, and this is the name of our array. And I'm going to push some names into it. So I'm going to push Dave, and push into the array names. Let's say, for example, Bill. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to print out the array here. So this is going to print out, let's say, names. Okay, now all we have to do is call the function by its name to run it. Push names. Okay, let's save it. Let's run it. Okay, so we pushed two names into the array there that you can see. So we're going to make this a little bit easier. So what we're going to do is we're just going to clear this out here. And this is going to be push multiple names into an array. So we're going to create some names, some scalar variables here. This is going to be name 1. Assign that to Dave. There, we're going to do my scalar name 2. Assign that to Bill. And we'll do a final one here, my scalar name 3, and we're going to assign that to Joe, like that. Okay, and then we're going to create the array, which is my names. Of course, the array is empty at the moment, so there's nothing in the array just yet. Now we're going to use the for each to push the names in there, the for each loop. So for each, I'm going to create a my scalar name here, and then we're going to do scalar name 1, and then scalar name 2, then scalar name 3. Okay, it's going to go down there, and then again we use the push function here, names, so that's the array, and the scalar name there. Okay, now all we have to do is print out the array, which is names, and a new line there. Okay, and all we have to do is save it and run it. Let's see what happens. So there you go, we've pushed all those names into the array. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Thank you very much for viewing the video, and remember to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.